Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to solve a given pairs of simultaneous equation by method of substitution. All right, so we have to solve for x and y in 2x plus 3y equals 13 and 4x plus 5y equals 23. Solution. Now we have 2x plus 3y equals 13 and 4x plus 5y equals 23. The first thing to do is I call this equation 1 and this is equation 2. We are going to derive the third equation and then make necessary substitution, okay? So from equation 1, you can equally derive your third equation from equation 2, all right? The rule is this: if you derive your third equation from equation 1, you are going to substitute into equation 2. Whereas if you derive your third equation from equation 2, you are going to substitute into equation 1. All right? So let's solve. From equation 2, 2x, from equation 1 rather, 2x plus 3y equals 13. We can make s the subject of formula so that 2x is equal to 13 minus 3y. All right? Since we want to make s the subject of the formula, we are going to divide both sides by the coefficient of 2x, which is 2, all right? So that 2 cancels 2. We are now left with x is equal to 13 minus 3y divided by 2. So I call this equation 3. Now, next, we are going to substitute equation 3 into equation 2, all right? Equation 2. And our equation 2 is 4x plus 5y equals 23. What this implies is wherever you see x in this equation 2, all right, this is our equation 2, you replace it with 13 minus 3y over 2. So that 4 into 13 minus 3y all over 2, okay, plus 5y plus 5y all equal to 23. Now we open the bracket. 4 times 13 is 52. 4 times minus 3 is minus 12y divided by 2 plus 5, okay, equals 23. All right, so let me take off this portion. Now we have that 52 minus 12y, 2 times plus 5y will give us plus 10y. All right, 2 times 23 will give us 46. All right, we collect like terms. All right, now we have minus 12y plus 10y is equal to 46. 46 minus 52. All right, sorry, let me make it clear. All right, so 52 minus 12y plus 10y equals 46. We collect like terms. Minus 12y plus 10y is equal to 46. Moving 52 on the left hand side to the right hand side, it changes to minus 52. All right, so minus 12y plus 10y is minus 2y is equal to, now 46 minus 52 will give us a negative value, which is 6. All right, yeah, which is 6. Now since we are looking for y, we are going to divide both sides by minus 2, so that minus 2 cancels minus 2. We now have a y is equal to minus cancel minus here. 2 divided 6, we have 3. So our value of y has been established as 3. Y is equal to 3. Now, what remains is for us to determine the value of x. So from any of this equation or from our equation 3, we have that x is equal to 13 minus 3y all over 2, if you recall. So x is equal to 13 minus 3y divided by 2. So which is equal to 13 minus 3 times 3 all over 2, which is equal to 13 minus 9 all over 2. 13 minus 9 is 4. 4 divided by 2 will give us 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2 and our y is equal to 3. And that is the solution to this equation. I hope you enjoy the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. And also follow me on YouTube. Bye.